Hello friends, today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 3 of energy conservation and waste heat recovery. So let's discuss the assignment. The question 1, which one of the following is not related to steam power plant? So in these options, intercooler is not related to steam power plant because intercooler is related to refrigeration plant. So option C is correct. What is the use of economizer in a steam power plant? Economizer used to preheat the water which is going to boiler. So option B is correct. It is used to preheat the feed water. Next question. An ideal Rankine cycle consists of. An ideal Rankine cycle consists of two isentropic process and two constant pressure process. So option B is correct. Two isentropic process in pump and turbine and the two constant pressure process in boiler and condenser. Next question, question 4. Choose the correct statement for reheating in the Rankine cycle. In reheating, it is not necessary that it always increase efficiency, but it increase the output. So option C is correct. It increases work output and also it has the benefit of getting high quality steam at the condenser inlet. So option A and C both are correct. Question number 5. Match the following for an ideal Rankine cycle. So I previously discussed in the question 2 that in boiler is a constant pressure heat addition. So for first, B option is correct. For second, turbine. In the turbine, the reversible adiabatic expansion of steam. So for second, A. Condenser is the constant pressure heat rejection. For third, D is correct. And for pump, it is a reversible adiabatic compression. So for question 5, the correct answer is C. 1B, second A, third D and 4C. Next question. A steam power plant operates on a Rankine cycle with a single reheat. The cycle is shown below on TS plane. Which of the following statement is correct? So 1-2 is the high pressure turbine, expansion in high pressure turbine, then 2 to 3 reheating, then 3 to 4 the expansion in next turbine which is a low pressure turbine. So in B, 1-2 is the expansion process in the high pressure turbine. So option B is correct. Following are the statement related to a Rankine cycle. So option C is correct. For that, work output of the Rankine cycle always decreases as a result of regeneration. So in regeneration, work output decreases. Thermal efficiency of Rankine cycle always increases as a result of regeneration, and thermal efficiency of the Rankine cycle may increase or decrease as a result of reheat. In reheat, there is no necessity that thermal efficiency always increases. So first option is correct, fourth option is correct and fifth option is correct. So C is the correct option for this question. What is the pinch point? So pinch point is the minimum temperature difference between the temperature of flue gas and the inlet of the evaporator. So B option is correct for this question. Heating of working fluid in a simple Rankine cycle is schematically represented. Identify the correct representation. So correct representation is option C. Here the flue gas temperature is decreases and the water temperature is continuously increases. Question number 10. Consider a regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater as shown in figure. So mass fraction, if you solve this by energy balance at 0.5, so you will get the option B. M is equal to H5 minus H4 upon H2 minus H4. Now question 11. The figure below shows the expansion process in a steam turbine as a part of the Rankine cycle power plant. Choose the correct option. So in my opinion, the correct option is B. The process 1-3 shows the actual expansion process and 1-2 is shows the isentropic expansion. And enthalpy at point 3 is greater than the enthalpy at point 2. Due to friction, enthalpy at point 3 is increases. So option B and C both are correct. Next question. Consider a regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater. This data is given 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, the enthalpy is given and total power output is 100 megawatt. If we do energy balance at 0.2, we get the answer C, 151 kg per second. Question 13. In the Rankine cycle, the saturated liquid water coming out from the condenser enters the pump and the pump feeds further the water into the boiler. Condenser and boiler pressure is given. The specific volume at the condenser is given and pump work is to be found if the isentropic efficiency is 85%. If we solve this question, I will get different answer among 3 options A, B, C. So in my opinion, the answer D is correct, none of the above. Question number 14. Here the TS diagram is given. So the enthalpies are given for H1, H2, 0.3 and 0.4 and saturation and 0.5 also. So what is the thermal efficiency of the plant? If we calculate the formula of thermal efficiency in reheating plant, we will get the answer 0.45. 0.45 and B. B is option is correct. The last question. A steam power plant operate on the ideal regenerative Rankine cycle. This is a regeneration cycle in which all the data is given. If we solve by these data, we will get the answer 0.242. So option D is correct. So thank you friends for listening me. So subscribe my channel so that you will get next assignment easily. Thank you very much.